Good morning guys! Nasa Los Angeles na tayo. We are in the airport. So, eto na nga. Nasa Las Vegas na kami. It's 12:30 afternoon. We just got off the bus. And we're waiting for our sundo. So, ang totoo niyan, dapat kanina umaga pa kami dito, naiwang kami ng bus kagabi. At hindi namin nakita kung saan kami pupunta. Hindi ko na videoan kasi mega stressed. But anyway, whatever I'm wearing today, kahapon ko pa suot. So, kanina sa bus, na-realize ko, hindi pa ako naliligo. So, but yeah, we will continue the vlog here. Di pa ako nakapag-vlog sa Las Vegas, sa Los Angeles kasi chill lang and I'm busy din. Kaya we're here for at least 5 more days and we have stuff to do and friends to meet. Kaya let's enjoy Las Vegas. Hindi to sponsored pero ayan, may ganap agad. Thank you. Ooh. Good morning guys. Well, good afternoon na. We're going to Ross. Kasi hindi ako nakadala ng underhat. Medyas dito. Taas na nga ako. It's actually 15 degrees. Last night, we went to Durango Casino. This had drinks and a few bites with Tofu. I think I did some caption. I did some videos. So, sasama ko na lang after. But tara, punta tayo sa Ross. So after 2 hours, ayun na po ang mga binili namin. At naghahanap na naman kami ng mabagong pagkakagastusan. Okay guys, casino number 2. We are in Blue Fontaine. 3 na ba? Ano yung 3?
Yung una niya nila.
Oo nga, 3 na pala. December 9, Tuesday, and we're doing a bit of a walk, maybe a hike, I don't know. May park sa tabi ng bahay na tinitira namin, kaya papawis konti and to increase or get some serotonin. Looks like a really nice trail, so we'll do one straight line, come back, and then walk around. Hindi na ako nag-jacket or anything kasi alam ko napawisan naman ako. Ayan. Let's go. Okay, looks like we're at the edge. Grabe, may bundok na dito. So guys, gusto ko ba sana ng mas malayo pa? Kaso ihina ako. Wala CR dito. So mabalik na tayo. But this place is nice. Baka bukas balik tayo. Ang lamig, pero because you're burning some calories, so, sakto lang. Pa-short nga lang ako. Kaya, tara, balik na tayo sa bahay. I think I've been walking for 15 minutes. Kasi ihina ako. So update, nakahanap tayo CR. I think this is the main entrance. Pakita ko sa inyo. Community park. You can exercise, bike, yoga, football, soccer, then really just have fun. Just have to breathe out. Hi guys, good morning. It's last full day in Las Vegas. So we are back in the hiking trail near the house of our host. So, para GV tayo, papawis muna tayo. And then I think we need to do a bit of packing. And we need to attend school recital later today. And probably dinner or late dinner or drinks with Tofi, Roma, and our usual suspects. Bulol us today. As always, such a blast to be here in Vegas. English! Kasi nga, you know, I have a really nice group of friends here. Never fails. And parang nasa bahay lang talaga. You know, daming Pinoy. They welcome you. Ayun. Hiningal na ako. Tuloy natin ang hiking trail.
No need to choose. I'm falling deep in the electric groove. I'm dancing with the fire and the sound. Fucking myself.
Okay, guys.
Through the night with the moon up above. Electric groove. I'm in love.
Okay, guys, we're back in LA. We're in the Union Station. It's very busy. Continue natin ang mga adventure dito sa LA. See you there. We'll see you there.
Flashing lights and a cosmic haze. Retro love in a modern maze.
We are back in LA. Today is a lot of me time. Dahil mag-isa lang ako today. We're going to downtown. I booked tickets sa The Broad and we'll go around that area.
Spirits high, the volume loud. From underground to galaxy.
And spend the rest of the day looking around downtown LA. Pakita ko sa inyo yung paligid.
Sinks with the kick and snare, lose myself in the smoky air. Voices rising, no need to try.
That's the freeway.
Electric groove.
We have about a 10-15 minute walk. But chill lang tayo. Hanap tayong breakfast. That's the city down there. Ganda. Guys, this is the Disney Concert Hall. I always wanted to see this. Ayan siya. It's so cool. Okay, so I think this is the actual main view. Wow. Somebody who loves architecture and buildings. This is really nice. Ang galing.
We're dancing with the fire and the sound, funk in our souls and our feet off the ground, rocking through the night like there's nothing to prove. Hearts beat wild in the electric groove. Fits in the sky, we rise and move, forever lost in the electric groove.
Good morning, guys. It's almost 8:15 in the morning. We are in LAX. Tapos na ang ating 1-month vacation. And if you've reached this point in the video, maraming salamat. We've gone through a lot this particular trip. And very fruitful, I think. So, we're planning a new trip very soon. Kaya, thank you for watching, guys. Until the next one. Bye.